Hello friends, me Dr. Deepa Chauhan welcoming all of you at my channel Cook with Deepa Chauhan. Today recipe is summer special soda Shikanji. So let's start to make the soda Shikanji. For making soda Shikanji, first we have to take one glass and add some ice cubes in the glass. After that, I am adding juice of lemon. Here I am adding the juice of one lemon in the glass. I am squeezing out half of the lemon directly in the glass. After that, I am adding 1 teaspoonful of Shikanji masala in the glass. After that, I am adding sugar syrup in the glass and mix all the ingredients with the help of the spoon. So our glass is 3/4 filled. Now I am adding soda water in the glass and mix it again. So friends, our soda Shikanji is ready now. So friends, if you like my recipe to make the soda Shikanji the most, then like my recipe, comment on my recipe, share my recipe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Cook with Deepa Chauhan. So meet with me in the next video. For then, bye.